Hey, it's Dave from the Camera Store. Today we're going to talk about how to update the firmware in your Fujifilm camera. You want to do this to take full advantage of what Fujifilm has to offer in the latest and greatest operating system for your camera. You do need a computer with internet access, you do need a Fujifilm camera with a fully charged battery, and an SD memory card. Now today we've chosen the Fuji X-T30. Let's walk you through these easy steps.
Alright, let's get started. Open up your computer and go to your browser of choice and type in fujifilm.com. Click enter. Under that, find support, which takes you to download software and firmware. From there, pick what system of camera you have. We are the X system, so go to interchangeable lens camera in the X system, which takes you to a long list of cameras. So choose the camera that you have. Ours happens to be at the very bottom of the page. And the X-T30. Check to see if it's the current firmware or it's the new version that you're looking for. Click firmware download, which takes you to a long page of all kinds of legalities. Scroll to the very bottom of that, where it says agree, begin download. The next page is where you actually download it, and you see the file size. It's 47 megabytes. Begin download, and hopefully you have a decent internet speed and you don't have to wait all day for this. While you're waiting for this download to complete, now is a good time to insert your SD memory card, because that's what we're going to be putting the file onto to transfer that to the camera. Alright, now that the download is completed and your freshly formatted SD card is in your computer, go to Finder, see that your SD card is visible, go to Downloads, see the file we just downloaded, click and drag that over to your SD card and wait for it to transfer. And now that it has, we are done with the computer part. Eject the SD card and we're ready to go to the camera. Okay, now that the memory card is inserted in the camera with the fresh firmware, press and hold the display back button, turn the camera on, and you'll have the firmware upgrade screen show. Simply click OK, use the 8-way controller, click to body, press OK, double check the version you want to upgrade to, press OK, and once again, press OK. Now this might take a few minutes to do, so this is why it's important to have a fresh battery. We don't want it crashing halfway through an upgrade. Alright, the progress bar is almost done on the bottom, and now we'll see it's processing and the firmware upgrade is complete. And you can see the current version of firmware installed on your camera. Now you can turn the camera off, and if you want to double check what you've installed, simply go through the same process, hold the display back button down while you turn the camera on, and you'll see the latest firmware that's installed on your camera.
See? Wasn't that easy? Now you're ready to take full advantage of Fujifilm's latest operating system. Hope you enjoyed that tutorial. We'll catch you again soon.